In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Looker project. This process, while straightforward, involves a few critical steps to ensure that you correctly remove any existing project from your Looker Studio account. First, let's get you logged into Looker Studio. You will want to start by opening your preferred internet browser. In the address bar, type in https://lookerstudio.google.com/ and hit the enter key. This URL will take you directly to the Looker Studio homepage. If it's your first time, you'll see an option that says use it for free. Go ahead and click on that. This is Google's way of welcoming new users, allowing you to explore Looker Studio's capabilities without initially committing to a subscription. Once you click on use it for free, you'll need to provide your email address. Enter it into the field provided and proceed to the next step. After your email, the next screen will prompt you for your password. Fill it in and then click on the login button. Remember, this will be the Google account password associated with the email you just entered. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're using the correct credentials for the account that has access to the Looker project you intend to delete. Successfully logging in will redirect you to the Looker Studio home. This is where all your reporting magic happens. At this stage, you are in the prime position to access any projects or reports you've previously worked on or have been shared with you. Now, navigate to an existing report you wish to delete by simply clicking on any report listed under the Recent tab or found within your project folders on the Looker Studio homepage. The thumbnails and names of each report make it easy to find what you're looking for. Upon opening the report, locate a small three-dot icon or the More button, situated either at the top right corner of the report or next to the report's name in your workspace. This button is your gateway to more actions concerning any report. When you click on the three-dot icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll see a variety of options, but the one we are interested in is Remove. It's typically accompanied by a trash bin icon, visually reinforcing that this action will discard the selected report. Go ahead and click Remove. A prompt might appear asking you to confirm this action, since deleting a report is irreversible and all the data or customization within that report will be lost forever. If you're sure that this report is no longer needed, confirm the deletion, and there you have it. That's how you successfully delete a Looker project or report from your Looker Studio account. Always remember to double check before deleting any reports, as this action cannot be undone. This method is crucial for keeping your workspace clutter-free and organized, ensuring that you and your team have access to only the most relevant and up-to-date reports. A pro tip before we go: always back up any valuable data or insights from your reports before deletion. This can be done by exporting the report's data or simply ensuring it's stored in another location or report within Looker Studio. Deleting a Looker project or report helps maintain an organized and efficient workspace, allowing you and your team to focus on the data and insights that matter the most. We hope this tutorial was helpful and encourage you to keep exploring Looker Studio for all your data visualization needs. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate and utilize Looker Studio to its full potential. Happy analyzing!